Hello friends, welcome back to our own channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Guys, I'm back with an important update on TTML, the Tata Teleservices Maharashtra Limited. The TTML stock has jumped from the level of Rs 37 in October 1st to Rs 144 on December 7th, giving bumper returns of 290%. The stock, which is available generally in upper circuit, has formed a bearish Maraboju candle on December 7th. From the morning to the evening, the stock is available in the upper circuit at the level of Rs 144, but suddenly, before the market closing hours, huge number of shares has been dumped in the market. The stock has closed at the level of 135 by falling 1.28%. Guys, can TTML shares fall more? And why it has fallen suddenly? And you may be worrying what to do with this share, whether to hold this stock or sell this stock in the coming sessions. So guys, in this video, I will tell you about why the stock has rallied so much and why it has fallen suddenly, and I will analyze this stock technically, and in the end, I will tell you how much more it can fall. So guys, please watch this video without skipping so that you will not miss any important points. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Guys, please hit the like button. Your every like gives me motivation. Now first let us see why the stock has rallied so much. In the past 1 year, the stock has given bumper returns of 1691%, and in the past 1 month, the stock has given excellent returns of 114%, and the stock is mostly seen in upper circuit. So guys, the main reason for the stock rise is promoter Tata Sons. TTML promoters are holding 75% of the shares with them. Guys, recently TTML has obtained a support letter from its promoter Tata Sons, indicating that promoter will take necessary actions to organize for any shortfall in liquidity during the period of 12 months. This statement triggered a huge rally in the stock, guys. If it gets good support from the Tata Sons, TTML can recover from its huge debt. Guys, whenever this kind of statement comes from the promoters, it triggers a huge rally in the stock. In the month of June, same kind of statement arrived and the stock has rallied from the level of 13 to 55 in the July by giving a bumper returns of 323% within just 2 months. After that, the stock has seen huge profit booking. After some time, it went into consolidation phase for almost 2 months. And guys, when the positive news from the promoters again came in the month of October, the stock rallied again. It has reached the level of 144, and in the previous session, it formed a huge bearish Maraboju candle, and the stock has closed at the level of 135. You can see here. Guys, as promoters are holding 75% of the share, remaining 25% is with retail investors. So guys, operator has entered into the stock. Guys, if any stock enters into upper circuit daily, you must realize that operator has entered into the stock. Operator may be a promoter or a person who is having huge number of shares with him, can act as an operator. Guys, within 2 months, they made the stock rally by 300%. When they are sitting on huge profits, they simply dumped their shares into the hands of the retail investors. Here you can see, guys, they have dumped almost 10 million shares. Also guys, if you see the RSI, it is presently at 90.48. It is clearly in the overbought zone. Also guys, company's financials are not that great. If you see, the total revenue is almost constant. It is around 270 crores. But if you see its net income, the company is still in losses. It is posting continuously losses. In June quarter, it posted minus 318 crore loss. In September quarter, it posted minus 313 crore loss. So guys, company needs to improve a lot. Company financials are still bad. It is continuously posting losses. Guys, the company price is simply elevated by operators, and they started dumping the shares into the hands of the retail investors, and the stock will go into the lower circuit in the coming sessions. and it can touch up to the levels of 98.43 where it finds the strong resistance. If it becomes more bearish, it can even go to the levels of 59 where it has second strong support. Guys, please watch out for these levels in the coming sessions. Guys, TTML is a good stock which has got good backing from Tata Group, but stock fundamentals are very poor. It needs to improve a lot. If the company starts posting good profit numbers, then I suggest you to enter into the stock. But now, I prefer you to stay away from the stock as already operators started dumping the shares. Guys, if you want to invest in the stock for long term, enter at the levels of 60 to 70 and hold for at least 2 to 3 years so that company can post good profit numbers. This is all about Tata Teleservices, friends. I will come up with another interesting stock in coming days. Guys, if you have any doubts, please write in the commentary box. And please do follow our Telegram channel where you can get important updates on daily basis. And please follow our pages on Instagram and Facebook. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the like button. And a small disclaimer, friends, the recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking investment decision. Thank you, friends.